Goblin sharks are a rare species of a deep-sea shark that are sometimes referred to as living fossils. They are the only non-remaining member of the ancient Microcurinidae family of sharks. It is impossible to fully appreciate how horrifying this is without seeing footage of a goblin shark attacking its prey. Bismuth is known with a psychedelic surface. Bismuth is a unique stair-step growth pattern in which the outer edges form more quickly than the inner areas. This results in a crystalline structure that appears to be made of interlocking rainbow squares. The blue angel, Glaucus atlanticus, is a species of a sea slug nicknamed the blue angel. This otherworldly creature is as rare as it is beautiful and is only found on the coast of South Africa and Australia. The blue angel is carnivorous and feeds on the other venomous sea creatures, such as the Portuguese man-of-war. It collects the venom from its prey in specialized sacs, concentrates it, then uses the venom on future prey. The rainbow eucalyptus tree. The Eucalyptus diglupta tree actually grows in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the Philippines. The unusual colors are a side effect of the tree shedding, according to Missouri Botanical Garden. This inner layer slowly matures and turns a range of colors. VANTABLACK. VANTABLACK is the darkest substance on Earth. It is a nanomaterial that is darker than any other substance on Earth. It was developed in the UK by Surrey Nanosystems in 2015. VANTABLACK absorbs 99.98% of the light that hits its surface. This means that the human eye technically sees nothing when it looks at VANTABLACK. Indonesia's Kawah Legian volcano is remarkable for its tendency to emit oozing waves that what appears to be blue and purple lava. Technically, the lava itself isn't blue. It comes from high quantities of sulfuric gas that emerge along with the lava. When the gas catches fire, it burns with a bright hue that makes the lava appear to be electric blue. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a 240-page medieval tome written in an unknown language that has baffled scholars and code breakers for years. The manuscript is believed to have originated sometime between 1404 and 1438. AEROGEL. AEROGEL is an ultralight material made from gel and gas. It's been nicknamed frozen smoke or solid cloud because of its ethereal appearance. Because it's made primarily of air, and air is such a terrible heat conductor, placing a layer of aerogel between a flower and a flame will protect the flower from getting destroyed. Amazing. Brine pools. Brine pools are underwater lakes, are bodies of water that have a much higher salinity or saltiness than the surrounding ocean. It can make submarines even float on these brine pools when they descend to the ocean floor. Unfortunately, these lakes also contain high amounts of toxic methane and hydrogen sulfide, so swimming in them would be toxic for humans. Armillaria ostoyae mushroom is the largest living organism by mass, held by Pando tree colony. It was nicknamed the Humongous Fungus. This mushroom has spread across 2,385 acres of Malheur National Forest in Oregon. The giant mushroom has probably been growing for between 2,400 to 8,650 years, and its cups are said to be quite delicious. Cueva de los Cristales, or the Cave of Crystals. This enchanting cavern is crisscrossed with gleaming gemstone crystals that dwarf human explorers. This mysterious spot was only discovered in 2000 when miners drained the water from a zinc mine beneath Naica in the Mexican state of Chihuahua. Searchers have discovered what is believed to be a 50,000-year-old bacteria sample within one of the crystals. The Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá. The Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá is an underground Roman Catholic church in Cundinamarca, Colombia, that was excavated from the salt mine in 1954. The cathedral includes a giant salt cross and can accommodate up to 10,000 people, though it has never been filled to capacity. Ethiopia's Danakil Depression is home to one of the most bizarre-looking landscapes on Earth. It is dotted with crackling lava pools, neon-colored hot springs, and sparkling salt flats. Poisonous gases swirl around hydrothermal fields, and many of the area's pools are filled with acid. Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the farthest point from the land on Earth, officially known as the Oceanic Point of Inaccessibility. It's located in the center of a triangle made by Dushi Island, Mutu Nui, part of the Easter Island chain, and Mahir Island near Antarctica. It is so far from the land that the closest humans to Point Nemo are usually astronauts. Tardigrades. Tardigrades, also called water bears or moose piglets, are fascinating microorganisms that can survive just about anywhere. They prefer to hang out in moist places like mud or moss. They can survive in environments at least as cold as -200 degrees Celsius or as hot as 149 degrees Celsius. They can also survive radiation, boiling liquids, pressure more than 6 times that of the deepest part of the ocean, and even the vacuum of space.